In today's video, I'll be running through unexpected, inexpensive, and incredibly useful things that I take with me in this tiny bag on every flight. The first thing that I always have with me at my seat on an airplane is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. There are USB-A charging slots at most airplane seats, but many devices these days, including most iPhones, are going to take a USB-C connection instead. I grabbed this USB-A to USB-C adapter from the dollar store, and it has saved my life on many flights by allowing me to do things like charge my phone. Another adapter that I bring with me is an airplane Bluetooth adapter that's going to wirelessly connect to your headphones. This adapter plugs into the headphone jack and then connects wirelessly to your headphones so you can watch the seatback entertainment system without using that terrible set of headphones that the flight attendant is going to hand out. And if you don't have a wireless set of headphones like AirPods that are going to connect via Bluetooth to a device like this, you can also bring your own set of wired headphones. As long as they have a jack like this on one end, your wired headphones are likely going to be compatible with the seatback entertainment system. Even if the plane you are flying on does not have a seatback entertainment system, you can usually use the airline's app in flight to access free TV shows and movies directly on your phone. But since you probably don't want to be watching a TV show while having to hold your phone up for the duration of your flight, I will always make sure that I have a pop socket on the back of my phone case. And if you don't have one of these pop sockets to hold your phone upright on the tray table, consider using your sunglasses as a phone stand instead. And then a bonus reminder is to always download the airline's app before your flight, since you will not be able to download it once you are in the air. You may have heard that the tray table is the dirtiest spot on an airplane, but I would argue that the seatback pocket is even worse. Knowing that the seatback pocket is going to be a tough place for the flight attendants to clean, I like to bring a plastic bag with me that I will use to line the seatback pocket before I use it. Not only does this save us from reaching into the pocket where the last passenger's belongings and food waste once was, it's also going to help you from forgetting anything at the end of your flight by having it all contained in a single bag. The next thing that I always have with me while I am flying is either a toothpick or a tiny floss stick. You never know what you will be served on the plane, and nothing is more annoying than having something stuck in your teeth for an entire flight. And along the same lines as packing a floss stick, it is very nice to be able to brush your teeth after an airplane snack or meal. And while packing a toothbrush would not be an unexpected item, I would say that packing a toothpaste pack is. I'll always pick these up when I see them at hotels, so I have a few on hand. But if you don't have any of these toothpaste packs, I do have a hack for you. Consider taking any clean plastic bag. This one is compliments of my dog. Thank you, Ollie. And then fill the corner with a tiny bit of toothpaste and tie the bag off. And you'll end up with a tiny little single-use toothpaste pack like this that you can bring with you on the plane. I know it looks a little bit funny, but it definitely works, and I have done this before with face cream as well. I'll always make sure that I have a pack of gum with me as well. And while it tastes great and is going to freshen your breath, the main reason that I bring gum with me is to unclog and unblock my ears on takeoff and landing. Try chewing gum if you have this problem as well. It's going to help. Black tea and coffee are the most common hot beverages served on an airplane, but if you want to avoid jet lag, you might want to consider skipping the caffeine, which both of these have a ton of. I love a hot drink once the cabin gets cold after takeoff, and will always pack a caffeine-free tea with me. I've never had an issue asking the flight attendant for some hot water, and it is so comforting to have a nice tea on a long flight. My personal favorites to help relax while I'm flying would be peppermint, chamomile, and then peppermint vanilla. If you have never tried this combination, it is wonderful. Let us know down in the comments what the #1 thing is that you always have with you on a flight. And then while you're down there, also let me know if you would like a video where I cover all of the things that I bring with me onto a plane in my personal item bag. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you back here for more travel tips and hacks next week. Bye.